Drop someone a line. Unlocking the meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very common but equally charming English phrase, drop someone a line. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in books, or stumbled upon it in casual conversations, understanding what this phrase means can add a nice touch to your English communication skills. So, let's explore together its meaning, origin, and how to use it in your daily interactions. The phrase, drop someone a line, simply means to send someone a message or a letter. It's a casual, friendly way of saying that you'll contact them, usually through writing. Despite the rise of digital communication, this phrase has retained its charm and is used to refer to any form of written communication, including emails and text messages, not just traditional letters. To truly appreciate this phrase, it's helpful to know a bit about its background. Drop someone a line originated in the days when written correspondence was the norm. The term, drop, refers to the act of physically placing a letter into a mailbox. Over time, as communication methods evolved, the essence of the phrase remained, symbolizing the act of reaching out to someone through writing. Using drop someone a line in conversation or writing is straightforward. It's best used in informal settings when you're promising to contact someone soon. Here are a few examples to guide you. I'll drop you a line once I get back from my trip to share all the details. Don't forget to drop me a line. I'd love to hear how your project is going. It's been ages since we caught up. I'll drop you a line this weekend. Remember, while the phrase is informal, it conveys warmth and a personal touch, making it perfect for connecting with friends, family, or close colleagues. And there you have it, a simple yet endearing way to promise someone you'll stay in touch. Drop someone a line is not just about sending a message. It's about keeping connections alive and showing people you care. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of English phrases. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to drop us a line in the comments if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.